So guys, we're going to do an affordable back to school makeup look. So all affordable drugstore products and just like a nice light refreshing makeup. So I'm just going to moisturise with the CeraVe moisturising lotion. I've just rubbed in my favourite SPF, which is the Bondi Sands Face SPF 50. Always try and wear it if you can. Then taking Pink Honey Super Hold, I'm just going to squirt that in there and rub my spoolie in it. I know this keeps, it's leaking. I know it keeps my brows stuck all day, so we'll just comb that through. Then I've just lightly filled in my sparse areas with the Revolution Pro Fill and Define brow pencil. Everyone always asks me about this. One of my best ever brow pencils. So I'm not going to carve my brows out so they're just a little bit softer because we're going to school. Then I personally wouldn't wear like foundation or anything, but if you do want like extra coverage on your face, you can use like a skin tint, you can use like a tinted moisturiser, BB cream. Then taking my Revolution Eye Bright Concealer in Fair, I'm just going to pop some just the way I would when I'm doing like actual makeup. Then I'm just using the warmth of my finger just to buff it out and like press it into the skin exactly where we placed it. It's just really going to like brighten and lift and make us look more awake. Then if you have like any spots or like any scarring that you want to hide, this is where I will spot conceal, and I love the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define for that. It lasts all day and really covers everything well. Then taking Revolution Pro Loose SPF Powder, I am just setting where we concealed and make sure we get right under there so we don't get any creases throughout the day, and also just take it down my nose. Then for contour, I would always use cream contour because I think it just sticks to the skin better and it will just last better throughout the day. So this is the Primark contour stick that I'm using in the shade Chai. Or I do really like Pink Honey Bronze Face Frostings. Then I'm just going to press that into the skin anywhere that you want to like contour, look bronze. So I'm just bronzing my forehead as well and my nose, want to look like I've been on a summer holiday. And just to add some colour back into the skin, make us look a bit more fresher, I'm just using Milani Luminoso. It's a tongue twister. It's a beautiful like luminous corally blush, and not gonna lie, I put it everywhere, so it gives such like a beautiful glow and radiance to the skin. Oh, it's such an amazing blush. Then I've just set my face with the Revolution SPF 30 Glow Fixing Spray. It makes you so nice and glowy, and it's got your SPF in it, and it smells like you're on holiday because it's like sun creamy. Then I'm just taking the Colourpop Feather Effect Brow Pen in medium brown just to create some fake freckles. That's a big one. Then I just tapped the fake freckles out and applied some Goddess Glow Revolution Pro, that rhymed, lip oil. And this is the finished look, ready to go to school.